Hi guys, welcome back to #Neil's Kitchen. Today we are going to make piping hot paneer sizzler. So let's start preparing it. Here we have basmati rice which we have washed couple of times. Now we are going to boil the rice. Add salt. As you can see, the water has come to a boil. Now we are going to add the soaked rice. After adding the rice, let it cook for 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, our rice is ready. We have to cook the rice only 90%. Now we are going to drain the water and keep it aside. Light up a gas and heat up a wok. Once the wok is heated, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. The oil is heated, add spring onion, add green chili, ginger garlic paste. Give it a nice toast. It's time to add the vegetables. Add the vegetables one by one. Carrot. Second, cabbage. Then French beans. And last, capsicum. After adding the vegetables, add salt. We have added all the spices. Give it a nice mix. Cook it for 2 minutes. Add 2 teaspoons of soya sauce. Add 2 teaspoons of chili sauce. Add 2 teaspoons of homemade Szechuan sauce. Add 1 teaspoon of vinegar and let it again cook for 2 minutes. After the veggies are nicely tossed in sauces, now it's time to add the rice. We will be adding small amount of rice and mixing it. Again, we have to follow the same process. After we have mixed the fried rice well, we have to add salt and black pepper. Add some Szechuan sauce. Add some soy sauce. Add some chili sauce. Our fried rice is ready. We have to garnish it with some spring onion. We have taken 5 peeled potatoes. We have sliced the potatoes and we are going to keep it in ice cold water for 45 minutes. We are going to dry the French fries before frying them. After 45 minutes, the French fries are ready to fry. So let's fry them. We only have to semi-fry it. Follow the same process with the other French fries also. This is the second time that we are frying the French fries. To prepare the capsicum and tomato which are stuffed with mashed potato, we have to take 2 medium-sized boiled potatoes, mash them. We have mashed the potatoes nicely. Now we are going to add some salt and black pepper. Again, mix it nicely. Now add some butter. Mix it well. Wow, the potato is so creamy. Keep it aside. Now it's time to cut the vegetables. Guys, please heat the vegetables. First, we have to add the mashed potato. After the potato, add grated cheese. Again, you have to follow the same process. Follow the same process with the capsicum also. The wok is now heated. Add the vegetables. Cover it with a lid. Let it cook till the cheese melts. The cheese has melted. We will switch off the gas and remove the lid. Add some black pepper to enhance the flavor. Light up a gas and take a wok. We are adding 2 glasses of water so that we can blanch the vegetables. Add salt. Add black pepper powder. Add the vegetables. We have taken French beans and carrots. We are going to add some corn and some green peas with the carrot and the French beans. We have to cover it and cook it for 5 minutes. Let's prepare paneer chilli. Cut the paneer into pieces. We will coat it with corn flour and shallow fry it. Add oil to shallow fry the paneer. Let the oil heat. Now add the paneer pieces and shallow fry it from all 4 sides. As you can see, the paneer are goldenish brown. So we know it is the right time to take them off. Now it's time to make the Manchurian gravy. First, take a wok and heat it. Wok is heated, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add onion. Add 1 spoon of green chili ginger garlic paste. Add capsicum, carrot, French beans, cabbage, spring onion. Add some salt, black pepper powder. After adding the black pepper powder, mix it. Add vinegar, red chili sauce, soy sauce. Now add sugar. This is vegetable stock that we have prepared by boiling the veggies. Again, mix it well. Bring it to a boil. Add corn flour and water to make it thick. The Manchurian gravy is ready. Add the paneer to it. The most important step is to heat the plate of the sizzler. This plate is specially made for sizzlers. You can get this plate in any shop or market. This is the wooden plate which we have to keep the iron plate on. So we are adding some water so that the sound comes of sizzling. The plate is nicely heated. It's time to assemble the sizzler. Assemble the sizzler. Our piping hot homemade sizzler is ready. Please make it. Please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel #FilmsandProduction.